Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today about your project on cybersecurity domain. Face morphing attacks are very common, especially while applying for passports, while applying for any national identity card. In India, we have Aadhaar card system. So if any user is trying to apply for the Aadhaar card system or passport application. So when there is a need to check if the photo or face in the photo is morphed or not. To detect those types of attacks, we are creating a project here. Let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using for developing this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend, we are using Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework to develop web applications in Python. For database, we are using MySQL here. There are two different types of users are there. One is the user who is applying for the any identity on for online identity like passport or Aadhaar card system, and there is an administrator who will detect the morphing attacks. Let's try to go to user and try to register a new user here. We will see step-by-step flow of the project. So I'm going to register a new user here. Let me provide the details like the username is there, the email ID we need to provide, next the mobile number. Next we have got here the city, profile photo. Remember, this is the profile photo. It is not the attack face morphing application picture. So let's provide the profile photo. I'll pick up some random picture. Let me provide the password here. Register. Registration is completed successfully. Now let's try to log in with the same credentials. And we can see the login is successful. Now, this is the dashboard. Let's go to Morph here. So in this project, there are three different types of input images are there. Three different inputs we can accept from the user, and then the user will morph it. Then he will supply for the some application like for password or Aadhaar card. So here three different types of input images we need to take here. Let me choose the files. So the project folder is having a dataset folder in which you will see some sort of images. And this also has, and the source code is also, there is a data set where you will see different types of images. So remember that we need to pick up the very close and very same angle image of the face. So I'm having the data set with me. This is the data set folder in the project. Let's select from this. If you clearly see these three images, there is a small difference. Let us try to pick up these images. Okay, open. You can see the preview. Second image. Third image. Okay, if you notice these three images, there is a small, quite bit difference is there. Like in the lips, you can see there is a difference. In the eyes, there is a difference here. Okay. And you can see the previews here. This is called Morph 3, which means attacker is using three different images of the same person or of some multiple persons with the same close-up images, and he will try to morph it. So this project, we are generating the morph images, and then we are detecting the attack as well. So let's first generate the morph image. So I'll click on morph here. image morphed successfully, and you can see here, this is the final output image we have got after combining or okay, attaching all those three images. You can, if you clearly examine here, there is a difference. Okay, there is a small difference you can notice here, which means it's a morph. But computer vision, how it is going to analyze this image as a morphed image? That is the important point. Okay, so let's download this. And now I'll go to apply here, and I will apply. Let's provide some details here. Picture. Here we need to provide the picture, application form picture, like if you're applying for passport or any citizenship. Let's select the image which we have morphed just now. Under desktop, there is an image here. Let's try to select this. Email ID is this, mobile number is this, gender, marital status, and citizenship of India by birth, education qualification, something. Let's try to apply. Applied successfully. Now I can go to my profile here, and if I want, I can check here, and if I want, I can edit some details here, like my profile picture and my personal details. I can edit and save the profile. Let's log out and go to administrator and check what is happening here. Admin login is successful, and we can see a dashboard here where registered users are 2, pending applications are 2, verified applications is 1, invalid applications are 2. Now let's go to view users, and here we can see there is a user here, just now what we have registered. Next, here there is an option for the administrator to detect the face morphing attacks, detect face morph. Directly we can click on a button, on a single button click, we are going to execute an algorithm here on, okay, this image. It will check whether this image is morphed image or not. Our algorithm, okay, this algorithm will check whether this image, applied image is morphed image or normal image. Let's try to detect face morphing attack by clicking on this button. So the algorithm is being executed in the background, and you can see here information message, this application contains a morphed image. Okay, this application contains morphed image. Where it is invalid applications we have got here. This is the application morphed attack. We got here morphed attack. Pending applications, if we go, only one is there. Verified applications, one is there. Invalid applications, if we see here, 3 applications in which we have got here one morphed attack image. Let's go to graphical analysis and check here. Pending applications 1, verified applications is 1, and morphed attack applications are 3 here. So in this way here, in this page, detect morph attacks, we are going to detect the morph attacks here. If the image is normal image, it will accept as a verified application. Let me show you that also. Log out. Log out successful. Let's go to register user and try to register a new user. And at this point, we will register a new user here. Profile picture. Let's give the profile picture. Register. Now registration is successful. Let's try to log in. Login is successful, and I'll not go to Morph, and I'll directly apply for the application. Some random details. Picture we need to upload now. Okay. I'll upload this picture, which is a normal picture now. Email ID, mobile number, gender, marital status, okay, by birth, education, something, apply. Now application sent successfully. Under my profile, I can see my profile. Let's log out and go to administrator and check here what's happening. With the administrator, 3 users are registered, 2 pending applications are there, 1 verified application, and 3 invalid applications. Let's go to view users, and we can see here there is a user with this name, which we have registered just now, and we can go to detect morph attacks here, and let's try to execute our morph 3 algorithm and check what's happening with this image. Detect face morph. Our algorithm will execute. And you can see it says here, this application has a clean image. So it is verified now. Okay. Under verified applications, we are getting this. In the graphical analysis, we can see here verified now 2. Previously it was 1, now it is 2. So this was the complete project to detect the face morphing attacks while applying for any kind of online application forms. I hope you have got the project idea. If you're not getting anything, if you have any doubts regarding the project execution, explanation, you can get back to me. The number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well directly. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.